What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing Homegoods Queen Homegoods haul. I have been going to so many different stores and cannot believe all of the fall items that I am seeing. Nonetheless, I have found some really good items from Homegoods and Marshalls. I've been shopping in store and online and collectively making a pile of wonderful goodness that I am so excited to share with you guys. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, before we get into the video, I want to talk about my Dossier perfumes for the month of September. I am so excited about these. If you guys follow me, you will know I am always getting Dossier perfumes and sharing them with you. They're a really nice, iconic scent, designer quality with no markups. So the first one for this month is going to be the Citrus Green Apple, and this is going to be inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. So if that is a perfume or a scent that you wear that you like, then this is inspired by that and you will definitely enjoy this. I also want to talk to you about the components of this. I love that they manufacture it with a really nice strong magnetic lid. That way you don't have to worry about losing it, as well as the simplicity factor of this. I think is absolutely gorgeous. It is one of my favorites because it's just so simple, looks beautiful on a perfume stand or shelf in the bathroom, and also has the notes tagged at the top so you can see exactly what notes are going to be in your perfume. One is beautiful, really nice and light. I love the way that it smells. It smells like it's got a little bit of citrus in it, as well as just a really nice clean scent to it. This would be perfect for summer or a summer night, just something really nice and light. I love that it is going to give you the notes and what it's inspired by. That way you have an idea of what it's going to smell like. Now for the second one, I am super excited to see what scent this is going to be, and it is Aromatic Star Anise. Now, if you cook, then you definitely know and are familiar with anise. It is one of my favorites. This one is inspired by Dior, and I am so excited to try this one out. This one smells amazing, very, very nice and spicy. Definitely a heavier perfume, so if you want something that's not on the light side but more packs a punch spicy type, then I would definitely try this out. You can definitely smell the notes of anise, which I absolutely love, and again, all of those notes are on the card as well as on the bottle. Of course, as always, I will leave all of the information to these linked in the description box down below. So just click that little arrow below the video, check out the description box, and all of the links to these, as well as all of the products in this video that I can tag, are going to be linked below. All right, you guys, the first thing I want to talk about is something I also spoke about in my Amazon video. These wine bottle holders are amazing and perfect for storing your Stanley cups or anything that is bigger. I actually also got these from Amazon if you didn't happen to see that video, and these are for 2 liters. So if you have some really extra large cups and some of the bigger Stanley cups, then you are able to get the 2-liter cups, which I can also link below for you. But I wanted to show you how nice and clean this helps everything as far as storage goes. You can grab the cups and go, and they also are stackable. So if you have a place that has a lot of space, then you can stack these as high as you want and as wide as you want. So I did also want to show you these, so for size comparison you could tell exactly what they look like and how large the 2-liter ones are, so that if you have those bigger cups, you can store those in them as well. Next up, I want to talk about this amazing marble tray. I have been seeing these a lot lately in HomeGoods, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. They are really nice and oversized, but actually really affordable. I think this is around $14 or maybe $19 at the most. They do have them in this beautiful gray mauve color, and then they also have some off-white ones, but I think this brings some really nice dimension to layer them on top of some wood boards. That really gives it that nice luxe feel, and also gives it a little bit more of a modern feel, because I do feel like when you have nothing but these wooden boards layered on each other, it can look rustic. Not that that's bad, but I am going for a little bit more of a modern touch. So I love these because they really break up the monotony and give it some nice luxe vibes and give it a little bit of a modern twist. So if you have a bar area, a wet bar, coffee bar, or kitchen area that you want to stack some of these in, I think this is a really nice alternative, and I have seen a ton available at multiple locations. So I'll see if I can find something similar, and of course link it in the description box below for you guys. Next up, I wanted to talk about this little adorable accessory right here. I saw this on the way out of checkout, and how gorgeous is this for decorating for Halloween? Again, kind of with the black and white theme. I just feel like this is super cute to accessorize with, and it looks extremely fluid as far as matching my home decor style and colors. It's a little bit modern with the gold top, and again, this is something that you can DIY. If you didn't like the top being gold, or you wanted to add your own twist on this, you totally could. It was also super affordable at $5.99. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but as soon as I start decorating for fall, which is going to be any day now, I will definitely let you know in the next video how I incorporate this. But I love that they're coming out with pumpkins and other accessories for fall and winter that actually look like they're a piece of decor. I just think that's really nice, and kind of hones in on how you can accessorize with pieces for the holidays that actually are decor. Next up is something that may not look that fascinating, but when I saw these, my eyes immediately gravitated towards them. They are these really beautiful Rachel Roy modern, super modern, sleek, glossy black wine glasses. You guys, I'm obsessed with these. I don't know how I did not even see them before. They are BPA free, and they are a really thick, sturdy plastic. They were only $3.99, so I did go ahead and get a set of 4, but I think these will be gorgeous, honestly, on display somewhere where, you know, I have no idea where yet. But I did go ahead and grab 4 of them just because I think they look so nice and luxurious, and I love how geometric and modern they are. So if you're looking for little accessories, maybe for a shelf in a wet bar or kitchen area to have on display, or even just to match your dishes and cookware, then definitely check out HomeGoods. I believe these were from part of the summer collection that they were getting rid of. Although they weren't on clearance for $4, $16 for the set, I wasn't going to pass them up. I also wanted to talk about, speaking of marble, this spoon rest. This is really the tone of the other marble board that I found that I just showed earlier. So they are having a lot of marble accessories. I think these are really nice because A, they're super useful, and B, I just love the durability and look of the marble. This is only $5.99, so super affordable, but I love the way that this looks. So if you have a really nice, simplistic stovetop, you can pop this on, and again, have it be useful, have it be sturdy, last you a really long time. I also love the neutral color and how it's a little bit variated. I think it'll add a nice little decor touch to your stovetop area. Next up, I wanted to show you guys this super cute carpet that I found. You know, I've always been looking for one, and I've had, I can't even tell you how many in this bathroom. I don't think I'm going to find one that matches the tile perfectly, but I love that this is black and like a nice beige bone color. I think this goes really well with the fact that I'm trying to incorporate, like I mentioned earlier, a little bit of a modern touch and twist to this bathroom with the black accessories. I also wanted to show you guys this little amazing find right here, and it's this really nice, again with the black and gray marble. It's just a little trivet or raised tray that you can put all of your accessories on in the bathroom, and I think this is really nice to kind of tie in that gray modern touch and look to the bathroom. So if you're looking for some gray accessories, I definitely would make sure you check out not only the bathroom section of HomeGoods, but also the accessory section by checkout, as well as the kitchen section, because these sort of trays can be totally dualed or used in so many different areas of the house. This one in particular I love, like I said, because of the colorway, the fact that it's a little bit raised and it's super sleek and simple. That's what I'm really trying to go for, is very minimalistic, simple, and a little bit on the modern side for the bathroom and the rest of the house. So I wanted to show you guys these awesome little accessories, and let's move on to the next item. I also want to show you guys these super cute bookends that I found. I love that they are actually mismatched. I don't know if this was supposed to be or not, but they are of course I cannot even think of the term, not driftwood, but the same as the trays that I had, and you guys told me what the term is, and of course I forgot. In any case, they are beautiful, super affordable. So one is black, and then one is this beautiful bone and gray color. I love the detail on these. They are sort of like a marble finish, but it's not marble. I love on the sides how they have this really nice exposed part, so it's got a lot of character to it. And again, I love that they are mismatched, so you can put these on a set of books or in the kitchen. You can use one if you have all of your cookbooks and you just have one on the end to keep everything in place. I think that looks beautiful as well. I also wanted to show you a little design trick. If you have some books that you do not like the color of the cover, then just turn it with the pages out and put it in, and I think it will look so much more cohesive and beautiful, as well as give you that monochromatic tone and effect. That way, if you don't want to spend money on a bunch of decor books or design books, then you can do this with existing books where you just turn them out so the spine is in the back. I really love that this brings a little bit of texture and, like I said, a monochromatic look. So if you just want to decorate a shelf or just have everything look a little cohesive, you can absolutely do that as well. I've also spray painted them before, so if you want to try that, that's a little hack for you if you have an area that you're trying to decorate with some books. I also want to show you this amazing bottle. I love having glass bottles and organizing my fridge, and these I found that were super affordable, $5.99. So beautiful, so simplistic with a metal lid. I think these will be perfect to store orange juice, teas, any sort of big liquids in the fridge, and kind of minimize the plastic and just have something super sleek and simplistic so that everything's kind of cohesive in the refrigerator. I also have a ton of storage in just plastic acrylic stuff for the things that are in boxes and whatnot, so that everything kind of goes together. That's just something I've really been getting into lately, is really organizing and getting detailed in all of the stuff for my refrigerator, my closets, my bathroom, that sort of thing. So I will see if I can find something similar, and of course link it below. I also want to talk about these beautiful wine glasses from Moda. So I will show you the old ones that I have that I absolutely do love. However, these may be similar, but I want to show you these because they actually are different. And that is the size. This may not seem like a lot on camera, but these are literally like double the size. These are extra massive, and I absolutely love them. They're also a little bit thicker than these. These are a little bit thinner, which does not bother me at all, but I love a nice size goblet because not only can you put wine in here, but any sort of like sparkling water, I just think looks really nice in these. So these are actually by the brand Modo. They are red wine glasses, and it says that they are 14.9 ounces. So if you are looking for a really nice oversized just wine glass or red wine glass that has this beautiful, simple, modern shape, then definitely check your local HomeGoods. I got a set of 4 for $24.99. So that means they are $6, around $6 a piece, which I don't think is bad at all. In comparison to these glasses, I really think these are nice for maybe like a white wine or just a spritz or something small. But if you want a really nice oversized wine glass, I love, love, love these. And I have not found anything this big. Of course, I will check and see online, maybe Amazon or somewhere else online may have something this size. And I will, of course, link it in the description box down below. And last but certainly not least, I do want to show you guys some of these really beautiful pumpkins I've been finding at Homegoods. They have them in literally every single color you can imagine, but you know I had to get the neutral, so I got 2 black and 1 white. And these are just little simple velvet pumpkins, $12.99. I love this stem. It looks super realistic. It's a really nice hardy plastic, and these are filled, it feels like some sort of bead or like poly bead fill. These are just really nice. I feel like it gives it a little bit of a fall vibe without going too overboard, too overkill. As you can see up here, this is the other one that I have in the same exact color and finish, but I love the velvet. I feel like it gives it a really nice luxe feel. This one is more of a decor piece or candy dish, and it also is a ceramic texture, so I'm going to use that somewhere else. But for design, I love these. I think it is really beautiful, and I don't think you can beat it for $12. I mean, it's a really good size as well. I would say about 6 inches all the way around. And here is the beige one. I wanted to show you how cute it looks in this little sitting area with the mirror behind it. So this is one of my favorite purchases I got recently from Target. It was actually on sale as far as the chairs go. I have been storing them away and trying to find a place for them, which I have not yet, but for all intents and purposes of this video, I just wanted to put together a little something so you could see how you could house them and how adorable these are and what they could look like in a room or a setup with just some chairs, a little mirror behind it, this table, and of course this adorable pumpkin. This color also is absolutely gorgeous. It is a really nice, I would say like bone vanilla white color, so it's not going to be a stark white. It is a really nice vanilla color, and again with that stem, it just looks so cute and luxurious. I love that it has a little bit of a modern flair. I feel like that's really nice, and like I said throughout the entire video, what I'm really going for. So if you're looking for something that's going to be a little bit sleek, simple, and cute, nothing too much of an overkill, then definitely check out Homegoods, because I feel like they have some really good fall accessories that are going to fit perfectly within your aesthetic and decor. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will leave everything that I can linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.